Assalamualaikum and hello all my dear viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I have brought with you quick, easy and just 20 minutes get ready potato biryani rice recipe with you all, which is going to be very simple, tasty and very delicious, much better than a restaurant biryani. Whenever the guests are going to arrive at your home in just half an hour or 1 hour, this biryani recipe is just simple and easy to make in just 20 to 30 minutes. So for this, heat a kadai on the stove, add in 2 tablespoons of oil and also add in chopped 500 grams of potatoes and fry them until they are light golden brown in color. Do not fry them until they are cooked. This only enhances the flavor. We will cook this again further in the recipe. Now take them out onto a plate. Here I have 3 capsicum and I have chopped the top part of the capsicum and I'm also going to fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes. You can see the capsicum is done well. Now let's take them out into a plate. Into the same oil you need to add few whole spices like 1 inch cinnamon stick and 1 teaspoon of shazira, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns. So these whole spices will give very delicious flavor and aroma to our biryani. Also add in 3 to 4 cloves and 1 javitri, 1 big cardamom and 2 small cardamom pods. Allow them to splutter for about a minute or 2. Now add in 1 cup of sliced onions and give them a good mix and cook until they are light translucent. Now you need to add in 2 to 3 teaspoons of chopped green chilies into it and give them a good mix. As the onion transparents and turns into caramelized, you need to add in 1.5 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and give it a good mix. As the ginger garlic paste is cooked, add in all the spices like 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of regular red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon of garam masala powder and half teaspoon of coriander seeds powder. In case you are not going to add in the garam masala powder, you can even add in the biryani masala too. Now add in 2 chopped tomatoes into it. Give them all a good mix, cover it and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. So here you can see after 2 to 3 minutes the oil is oozed out and it looks so good and delicious. Now add in chopped coriander leaves, 1 cup of whisked creamy curd. You need to beat it with a hand whisker or with a spoon this way until it turns out creamy. Now add in the half fried potatoes into the prepared gravy. Give them all a good mix. Now you need to not add in the capsicum at this stage because the capsicum is almost done, so we will add it in the final stage. Give them all a good mix and now you need to add in 1 cup of water into it, cover it and cook for about 5 to 6 minutes until the potatoes are totally done. So until this is being cooked, onto the another stove you need to heat or boil some water. Now add in chopped coriander leaves and 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder so that the flavors and the aroma is infused into the water. Now add in 2 to 3 teaspoons of salt into it. Give it a good mix and allow the water to boil. So here you can see the water has started to boil. Now add in the washed rice. So here I'm going to use 2 cups of washed rice. No need to soak the rice. You need to just wash the rice and add it directly into the hot boiling water. Give it a good mix and cook until the rice is done up to 70 to 80%. So here you can see the rice is cooked well. Just to check, you need to take a grain into 2 hands and just press it this way. If this is the stage, now you need to strain out the rice into a strainer. And until this, you can see the gravy is also done and the potatoes are also done well. You can see how creamy and how delicious the gravy looks. Now at this stage, you need to add in the already fried capsicum this way and finally add in the boiled rice. And now the main step here, why this recipe is so easier, that we are not going to fry any barista or layer it with any barista or the fried onions. Do trust me guys, without the fried onions too, this biryani tastes very good and delicious. This we are going to make very urgently and very fast in 20 minutes. Cutting the onions and then frying takes too much of time. So this way, just garnish it with few coriander leaves, 1/4 cup of saffron milk or colored milk, and allow it to cook on low flame for about 10 to 15 minutes. So here you can see the biryani is done well. You can just serve easily, made in just 20 to 30 minutes. You can even pack it in tiffin whenever your husband or your children ask for something special. You can make this recipe and pack it in their lunchbox. They will be very much happy and you will also enjoy the making this recipe. So this was the recipe for today. In case you find it interesting, do hit the like button. Also share it with your friends and family members who are working or who want new daily delicious recipes for tiffin boxes. Stay tuned for more updates. Like, share and subscribe. Bye. Allah Hafiz.